Hey guys, so there are multiple ways how we can possibly fix the shadow of Erdtree that is not working and not loading for you. So if you bought it, and you will need to go to the manage game for Elden Ring, click Elden Ring and then install Shadow of Erdtree. For some reason it said for people does not need to be installed and has instead just downloaded the emote by itself, and now it's midnight, it requires you to install it. So first, again, go to into manage game for Elden Ring, click Elden Ring and then install Shadow of Erdtree. So this is something that you want to do and maybe it's going to fix it. If this doesn't fix you, I also read this comment right here. And look, still not working for me sadly. It says check back in a bit. We're having trouble getting your stuff right now. And this guy just wrote here, change your country to NZ. Like I think New Zealand. So try to change your country. And that possibly can also help you fix the issue. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.